Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to answer a question from a reader of my blog who wanted to know how she could make digital Thanksgiving turkeys for her class. And so this idea is kind of like this. The idea is to make a digital version of something like this, which is something that my preschool actually did this week. So here's how we can do it. In Google Drawings, what we're going to do is we're going to upload a picture of a turkey. So let's go to pixabay.com and we'll find all kinds of turkey pictures here. We'll just pick this one. Let's go ahead and download that one. Say I'm not a robot. Let's download that one from Pixabay. As you can see, free for commercial use, no attribution required. Great service that Pixabay provides. Now, let's drag that turkey onto my Google Drawings. Perfect. So I've got my turkey there. Let's center it up as best we can. And of course, we can make it smaller or bigger by clicking and dragging on the corners. But now what I'm going to do is we're going to add in a text box. So let's add a text box and say here, I'm thankful for, and let's now change that font. Let's choose a different font, make it bigger, bold it, italicize it, all the normal things you would do with your font. And I'm going to make it stand out just a little bit more by highlighting it. Let's say this nice shade of orange. So there it is. I'm thankful for. And now we'll do the same thing on each one of these little feathers. Go in here and put in the little text box and say friends. And again, we can change out that font. Maybe we'll use the Acme font this time. And we'll make it bigger. And we can, again, change that text color if we like. Let's make that text color green, so it really stands out. And of course, we can pivot it as well. So you can do that all the way around your turkey. Now, if you're using Google Classroom, a great thing you can do, go into your classroom, and you can distribute this in Google Classroom for your students to each individually complete and add more to it. So let's say I'm going to pick any one of my classes here. I've got my late summer demo class. Let's go here. I'll go into my classwork and let's create an assignment called Thanksgiving Turkey. Go to Add, and from Google Drive, let's select my Thanksgiving turkey that we're working on. There it is. There's my Thanksgiving turkey, and we'll insert it, and we'll say make a copy for each student and assign it to them. Then they all get their own copy that they can further modify and customize the way that they like. When it's all done, go ahead and hit File, Download As, and you can download it as a PDF, JPEG, PNG, or even an SVG file, but I'd probably just download it as a PNG or a PDF if I'm going to print it out for kids to take home. So that's how you can create a little digital Thanksgiving turkey using Google Drawings and sharing it through Google Classroom. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.